Everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So today we have a Kenwood Tl922 we're going to go through and do all the mods to. It's pretty clean in here, so I'll show you the bottom in a sec. But ground the grids, series glitch resistor for the B positive, meter protection diode, everything else I normally do. Self bias, get rid of the forced bias, got the strap over here. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'll show you the bottom. So again, I forgot to take the video before I remove the old chokes. So I'm going to show you the bottom. I'm going to replace these two caps here. Someone did the 10 meter mod. They parallel two caps per side. So I'm going to fix that. Change the electrolytic here. So one of the tubes had a plate to grid short, so it was congealed, so grounded the grids anyway. 3 grid connections per socket go directly to the chassis with strap. I'm gonna have the strap over here, and I'm gonna get back to work. See you guys soon. So we're back with the completed Tl922. Customer wants to see it working on 20 meters. Radio set to roughly audio hello, about 90 watts or so. Okay, so 2500 watt slug, bird 43, bird PP kit going into a bird dummy load. So between the 10 and the 15, that's 1250. It's going to be doing a hair over 1250 peak. I got the settings there. So with these amplifiers, most of the time on 160 and 80, the plate adjustments closer to the middle has to do with the padding caps and the values. So some people get confused. They think it's going to line up over here, but always usually lines up right in the middle. So just keep that in mind. If you buy one, there's something wrong with it, just usually starts in the middle here. You always want to start, by putting a little bit of power in, like 20-30 watts. Just don't whack it with full drive, and you always tune it on the CW position, not the SSB. Okay, so go ahead and audio hello, tit, audio hello, a little over 900 on the lower voltage setting, audio hello, and never switch this under load. Audio hello, audio tit, here over 1250 right there, tit, hello, about 1300 or so, audio hello, audio 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, audio 1 2 1 2 1 2, RF, audio 1 2 1 2 1 2, grid, audio hello, and it works as it should. So I'm going to continue testing the other bands, and as long as everything's good, I'll show you the inside. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. We're back with the completed Tl922. Got my test Penta tubes in here. Amprex version. Customer's getting a brand new set of white base Penta tubes, just the standard Penta ones. Okay, so added the strap over here. Added the series glitch resistor, meter protection diode, zip tied all the wires. All the meter lamps are good. Standby operated lamps are good. Tighten the screws for the shield. It's wobbling back and forth. Clean the relay contacts back there. Always do that. Okay, I'll flip it over and show you the bottom. Be right back. See you soon. So I put the strap in for the low inductance mod between the plate tune air variable cap and two grids. Silver plated copper. That's what I had a nice piece already cut. So clean the band switch with deoxy gold. Put in the proper mica caps for the 10 meter input. Clean the TR relay with deoxy gold. Grounded the grids. To the chassis with strap. Did the self bias modification. Changed the electrolytic cap. Check the Zener before I tested the amp. And cleaned the standby operate switch and multimeter switch with deoxy gold from back here. Clean the input rotary switch with deoxy gold. Check the SO239s, they're nice and tight. I'm going to tighten up on that nut real quick. This always ends up loosening up, so I'll tighten the nut for the feed through. And that's about it. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I have others in boxes. I'm going to do more videos. I've been so busy. Doing videos takes time. And in the summer, I don't have a lot of time. So lots and lots of outside stuff to do, house stuff to do, just lots of stuff. Okay, so hardbock. Now I got to pack some more hardbock orders. Okay, so have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And check out amprepairguy.com and also hardbockelectronics.com. 73.